हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल। आज हम देखने वाले स्टैंडर्ड 7 का हिस्ट्री का 9 चैप्टर द मराठा वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस, उसके क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर। तो चलिए देखते हैं अपने चैप्टर का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चंस। तो अपना फर्स्ट क्वेश्चंस क्या है? चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट है, औरंगजेब वाज फ्रस्ट्रेटेड बाय हिज ब्रेवरी। तो ऑप्शन है शहजादा अकबर, बी छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज, सी छत्रपति राजाराम महाराज। आंसर है छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज। सेकेंड, they cut the golden pinnacles the emperor tents. ए है संताजी एंड धनाजी, बी संताजी घोरपडे एंड विठोजी चौहान, सी खंडोबल्लाल एंड रूपाजी भोसले। आंसर है संताजी घोरपडे एंड विठोजी चौहान। थ्री है he fought bravely in the Goa battles. ए येसाजी कंक, बी नेमाजी शिंदे, श्री प्रल्हाद नेराजी। आंसर है येसाजी कंक। सेकंड है फाइंड द टेक्स्ट इन द लेसन एंड राइट आंसर। अगर आप चैनल पे नए हो, चैनल सब्सक्राइब करिए, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर कीजिए। क्वेश्चन से व्हाई डिड संभाजी महाराज रिटर्न halfway from the Janjira campaigns? Answer, Sambhaji Maharaj returned halfway from the Janjira campaign because the Mughal army invaded at the same time. Second, why did Sambhaji Maharaj decide to teach a lesson to the Portuguese? Answer, Sambhaji Maharaj decided to teach a lesson to the Portuguese because they had joined hands with the Mughal emperor against Sambhaji. Three है, to whom did Rajaram Maharaj entrust the responsibility of protecting the Swaraj when he went to Jinji? Answer, Rajaram Maharaj entrusted the responsibility of protecting the Swaraj to Maharani Subai when he went to Jinji. अगर आप चैनल पे नए हो, चैनल सब्सक्राइब करिए, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, वीडियो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए। Fourth, Devdatta had described Maharani Tarabai's valor in this word. Answer, Devdatta described Maharani Tarabai valor in the following words. Delhi was humbled, the emperor of Delhi lost face. Such was the worth of the great Queen Tarabai. Question 3 है give reason. तो फर्स्ट है औरंगजेब turned his campaign towards Adil Shahi and Qutub Shahi kingdoms. Answer, Aurangzeb turned his campaign towards Adil Shahi and Qutub Shahi kingdom because he could not succeed in his campaign against the Marathas. Second, he had to suspend the campaigns against the Maratha. Second, after the death of Sambhaji Maharaj, the Marathas intensified their war with the Mughals. Answer, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj faced the death without compromising his self-respect. The sacrifice of Sambhaji Maharaj inspired the Marathas. As a result, after the death of Sambhaji Maharaj, the Marathas intensified their war with the Mughals. It was decided that the Raigad fort should be fought under the leadership of Maharani Yesubai. Answer, Aurangzeb had sent Julfir Khan to besiege Raigad. At this time, Rajaram Maharaj, Maharani Tarabai, Maharani Yesubai and Princess Shahu were in Raigad fort. It was risky for all members of the loyal family to stay together. For it was therefore decided the Rajaram Maharaj should escape and the fight to defend Raigad should continue under the leadership of Maharani Yesubai.
थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग व्हिडिओ. इयत्ता 7वीच्या मराठी, सेमी आणि इंग्रजी या माध्यमांच्या सर्व विषयांच्या स्वाध्यायाच्या नवनवीन व्हिडिओसाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब नक्की करा, लाईक करा, कमेंट करा आणि वर्गमित्रांना शेअर करा.